Hello, this is Adam Kiefer. I'm a teacher at the Hub Center. I'm going to show you how to log in and use Edmentum. So here's the login page. You can go to login.edmentum.com. When you're there, make sure to bookmark it. Your login is MLC1. So you can do lowercase or you could type uppercase. Doesn't matter. MLC1. Your username will be HC and then your student ID number, and your password will be your student ID number. Then you click Login. You are at home working on Edmentum, so you can always click No. Are you in class? No, you're not in class, so just always click No. You're at home. Alright, here's your home page. You can see your active assignments and classes here. Looks like this student has 2 classes, Vocabulary 2 and Accuplacer Reading and Writing. To see all of your classes, if you have 3 or more, you're going to have to scroll down right here. Okay, let's open the class. You can look at all activities or select a new activity. You can see the last time this student used this course. You can see that it's completed, 10% completed. They have completed 6 of 61 activities. All right, so here you can see all of the current progress on this unit in the course. So I'm going to hide this. So you can see vocabulary and reading 5 is in progress, and 6, 7, and other ones the student has not started yet. So let's take a look at this one. You can click here or click show. Then they can see all of the lessons that the student has completed. You can see this person has the green. Green means they completed it. They got 100% on their mastery test. They can see how much time they spent in it. So the next one for this student would be this lesson. If you click on it, it will open. There's a tutorial, which is like a practice, application, and a mastery test, and another reading practice. Most lessons will just have a tutorial and a mastery test. You can click on this to start the tutorial. If you're using Edmentum on a phone, you will want to turn your phone or your iPad horizontally, the long way. Turn it to the side so you can see everything on the screen. Okay, let's take a look at some tools here. To go to the next page, click here. So this is your navigation. Looks like this is a vocabulary exercise. All right, I'm just going to close this tab up here. Okay, let's take a look at some of the tools in the tutorials. All right, well, I'm going to skip through these first couple slides here. All right, here's a slide where you have to write a response. Okay, let's take a look at some tools. So there's a dictionary. Any word you see in the text you can look up. So for example, if I want to look up the word consequence, I can paste it up there. And you can hear it. You can see the different iterations of the word and the meaning. So the dictionary is nice. Just close it if you want. There is slide narration. So if there is sound on the slide, you can click on it to play. If it doesn't play and you want to hear, you still want to hear someone reading this to you, you can turn this on, click to speak, and then just click the sentence. Okay, you can turn that on and off here. There's translation. There are these languages. A few of them might be useful for Hub Center students: Hmong, Arabic, Korean, Vietnamese, Russian, Chinese, French, Spanish, and Thai. So if you speak those languages, you can do some translation. For example, here we go. We'll use consequences. We'll translate it, and there's the translation in Spanish. Okay. So those three tools are useful. Just click the X to close them. All right, anytime you need to close out of a lesson or a tutorial, you always need to click Save and Exit. If you just go up here and close the tab or close the browser, sometimes Edmentum will not save your progress. So always, always click Save and Exit. And you'll be back. You can see this turned half blue. It means you're in progress. Okay, let's take a look at a mastery test. Mastery tests are 5 questions. You have to get 4 correct to pass. So I'm just not going to read these. I'm just going to choose random answers, and I hope that I will get them wrong. Okay, so I'm not really doing this test. I'm just showing you quickly what it looks like. Okay, I answered 5 questions. Click OK. I got 1 correct and 4 incorrect. I did not reach my goal. Please review your answers. Okay, so I'm going to close and return to my activities. Now you can see my test is locked, and it's yellow, which means I completed it, but I didn't master it. I didn't pass. So how do I open this test and do it again? Well, the only way to unlock this test is to open the tutorial and do the tutorial again. So you have to complete the tutorial. When you complete the tutorial, this will unlock and you can take the mastery test again. Okay? So that's an important note to remember. Let's close here. If you want to know what these colors mean, these colors that are on the side of your lessons. So green means you completed it. Yellow means you completed but you didn't master the test, you didn't pass the test. Blue means you're in progress, and gray means you didn't start. If you want to see all the green ones, you can click here. If you want to see all your blue ones, you can click here. They will come up to the top. Orange here, or yellow here. All right. Now let's talk about unit pretests. Pretests can be a little bit long, but they're a good way for you to know what you know and what you need to work on. So I'm going to open this pretest. This pretest is 10 questions. Okay, so it's a little bit of work. When you're done, submit the test. Right now I'm just going to save and exit. Close this for now. When you complete the pretest, it will show you which of the following lessons you need to work on and which ones you would be exempt from. If you were exempt, it would show a blue E here on the side and you wouldn't need to do it. Let me show you what that blue E looks like. So this blue star with an E means exempt. It means they passed when they took the pretest, they knew this material, and so they don't need to do this lesson. These other lessons here and here they will have to do. So taking the pretest is good. I encourage you to do it. It might take a little bit of time, but it's worth your time. So please try the pretest. And when you see the blue E after you finish the pretest, you know that you don't need to do that lesson. All right, anytime you want to go back home, go to the top and hit the home button. You're back here to see your lessons. And when you're finished, the best thing to do is click Sign Out right here. All right, thanks for watching.